So what do you get when you put together the power of AI and also OPPO's latest device together? Well, you get the OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this video, let's take a look at how OPPO actually embeds the power of AI into the whole ecosystem of the OPPO Reno series, okay? And of course, with the introduction of AI in this system, that also means a lot more customers can reach out to the power and also potential of this advanced technology. Now, before we check out how amazing AI can be on the OPPO Reno 12 series, okay, let's take a look at the design first. So if you look at the back of the phone, it is actually crafted from futuristic fluid and metal with an accent of silver to mimic a piece of very flat and smooth mirror with water ripples inside. It looks really 3D, okay, but if you touch it, it feels very smooth and also flat. Now, if you look at the front, you get to see a screen, but this screen is totally different from the rest. When you look at it from the front, it actually looks like a flat screen. But if you run your fingers around the edges, you can actually feel the quad curve, okay? So the quad curve basically means you get a little bit of micro curve at all four edges of the screen to make it feel like very smooth and flowing like water. It also ensures that the edges are not too sharp so that it is very comfortable when we are holding it in our hands. There's also splash touch and false touch rejection, and that also means when we are using the phone, it will not detect any false touch from our fingers or our hands on the side of the screen. It's not just all beauty and nice, okay, because there is also toughness on this OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The glass on the front is actually Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the overall toughness will give us peace of mind. Now, next up, we look at the things on the back, which is the camera system, okay? So as you can see here, it's using a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, 50 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus, and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And they are using this thing called Ultra Clear Portrait System to ensure that all the portraits taken on this OPPO Reno is amazing. They say that if you use the 47mm focal length, okay, which is a 2x portrait zoom, you will be able to capture very professional looking portrait photos. And if you have blemishes or acne or whatever on the face, they can actually use AI to remove all those things to ensure that the face of the subject or the object or the model looks very good, very soft and nice. Now, since we're talking about photography, right, let's talk about all the AI features that revolves around AI, photos, camera, and editing. First thing I want to demo to you is AI Eraser 2.0, okay? So we can actually access this feature when you open the picture and click on Edit, and then we get options to either use lasso, paint, or even automatically detecting human in the photos, and it will automatically remove all these unwanted humans from your photos. There is also AI Smart Matting Image 2.0, and that basically means the Reno 12 Pro can actually detect objects or subjects or humans in your photos, and you're able to select them very easily with just one touch. And after selecting them, you have the option to turn them into stickers or save or copy them. There is also AI Magic Studio, whereby we can utilize any photos, including our own selfies, to turn them into amazing looking visuals or photos that we can use everywhere. For example, if you want to change your profile photo into something that you look magnificent and you look good in, this is when you use the AI Magic Studio. But one thing that I want to tell you is this AI Magic Studio requires a lot of bandwidth and also resources. Hence, it's not that you can use it every single time, okay? Because they will give you credits to use to generate visuals like this. Now, apart from your day-to-day usage of like photography, editing and cameras and stuff, there's also this one part that is powered by AI, okay, called AI Link Boost. So basically, they want to ensure that we get connection and signal all the time, no matter where we are. So for example, if you are inside an elevator or even in a concert or whatever, right, they will actually know where we are and they will ensure that our signal will always be solid. Hence, we will be able to say upload visuals, upload photos, stream videos, or make calls anywhere we are. There's also another feature called Beacon Link. Now this is very interesting, okay, because now we are able to make one-to-one calls even though we are at a very busy area, for example, music festival, stadium, and even at locations without network connection. Some other information that you should know about, okay, on how amazing the OPPO Reno 12 Pro is. The first thing is, it is using a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm processor, okay. The battery is also quite big with 5000 mAh and also 80-watt Super VOOC flash charge, okay. There's also this feature called AI Clear Voice that actually helps you to make your voice more clear and also easier to hear, even though when you're making calls in a very noisy situation. Okay, so that's my sharing on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G, okay? To find out more about this device, click on the link in the description below. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow me on all social platforms, and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Yo!